Hi, my name is Adrian Evans, the data expert, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick video overview of the powerful features in Indigo DRS data reporting system using Python for artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this example, I will use a decision tree for data classification with some sample input data to create a report with a decision tree. Indigo can use Python to create data context, and the result context data can be used in the report to create data tables and charts. I will be using the optional helper library called Accord Helper, which opens the open source Accord AI machine learning.NET framework. The helper library is an optional piece of software for Indigo DRS that facilitates the use of the Accord framework and enhances the presentation of the data, allowing the Indigo data report engine to receive data in a format that is suitable for enhanced reporting. So here's a report I created earlier, and I'll start this from scratch and walk you through it. Using this sample data I've got from the examples provided by Accord, we have some inputs here. 3 columns, X, Y are the inputs, G is the output column. I'm only showing the first 25 rows here just for report compactness. There's a decision tree, and there's the visualized outputs, the model testing. And there's a confusion matrix showing the hits, true positives, true negatives, and the hits and misses. Okay, so I'll start this report from scratch. Firstly, I'll specify the data source, which is an XLS spreadsheet. There's one here, examples. Open that. Okay, now I'll add a new section to the report. So I've add a basic style. Okay, now then the decision tree, we need to create a context for this, so we'll add a group and specify a data context. Now the context will be, we can have various contexts here, but this context will be a Python context. And if I open this now, it will open the Python editor, and a script I created earlier, which I'll talk you through now, is this one here. So basically we add a reference to the Accord helper library and the underlying machine learning library from Accord itself, add some system references, and there's the method for the decision tree. I'll basically pass in the columns. The input columns are 0 and 1, they're the input columns as I showed you in the data previously. The output columns, column 2. Variable during the default is 1, so we pass in the variables there, the continuous, and we load the data from the data source in the report. We open the properties here now, the data source is already set, which is the data set I loaded for the report data source, which is the spreadsheet, the XLS spreadsheet. So if I execute that now, there's your machine learning data. So there's your decision tree and the tree rules, and obviously the points for the charts that we can pick up into the report, and there's your confusion matrix. Okay, so okay that. Now we'll add a decision tree. So click new data tree. We need another data context. We want to pick up this as an X query. Let's refresh this. Sorry. So now we need to pick up the decision tree there from the X query. So there's your decision tree. We've just basically applied an X query filter, XPath filter to this to pull in the decision tree nodes. Click OK on that. OK. Refresh. So there's your decision tree. Now I'll pull in the other elements from the report I did previously just for speed. So I'll insert a new chart. I'll save the chart from the previous report. So there's a decision tree chart. Click OK on that. Fresh. So basically there's your report for your decision tree. There's your decision tree, there's your visualized model testing outputs. We'll add the confusion matrix as well, so data table, open the one I saved previously. Okay, refresh that. Let's add some styling on there. Turn on the style sheet, refresh that. So there's your decision tree report from the sample data. I'll switch back to the formatted one because it looks a lot nicer. But as you can see, it's very easy to include now machine learning and artificial intelligence into the Indigo DRS data reporting platform. It really is a powerful and reusable reporting platform featuring this AR machine learning capabilities with Python scripting now. So see the description below for more details, and please feel free to like, comment and share, and also connect with me on LinkedIn. If you're interested in the software or a demo, please don't hesitate to contact me, or if you want any more information on the machine learning AI stuff, please message me. I'm also happy to answer any questions via private messages. Thanks for watching, and more videos to follow.